How's it going? And welcome back to another video from Third Gear Vlogs. My name is TJ, and in this episode, we're going to be unboxing and testing out the Intex Explorer 300. Okay, so first thing we're going to need to do, we need to get these oars set up, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, so it looks like we got 4 of these, 2 couplings, 2 of these things that are going to hold them in the rowboat, and then 2 actual paddles. So let's just put them all together. I got all the oars set up, and the boat is here. They're the oars. So I think really all that's left to do is take it to the river. I got my fishing rods there. So later today I have to go to a graduation party, but hopefully tomorrow morning I'll be able to take it out fishing, and I guess I'll review it then. Okay, so we just took the boat all the way across the river. We started further than my phone can zoom, all the way over there. It was a pretty long ride, especially because I wasn't used to it. But we made it pretty well. So now we got all our fishing gear here and everything. We're going to head over there pretty far back, and that's where we're going to start fishing. Okay. Got a rooster tail on, so yeah, casting. Yeah, this water is really clear. Ooh. Oh, I got snagged on some roots. Yeah, I'm on some roots. Y'all comment if you like bait casters or spinning reels more. This weird kid thinks that bait casters are better.
Well, okay, maybe I was better, but like,
Whoops.
I like the cool black wheel.
Bro, the bass are not biting. Why? I only took 2 casts. Oh, my rod is messed up. Oh, I should have stick. Okay, let me twist this. You see? Look at them. Just twist it a bit. I'm gonna aim over here this time. Oh shoot. Terrible cast. Oh. Little bluegill? Little bluegill on. Check out this guy.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day, tiny bluegill. Should I save him for bait?
Yeah, do it actually.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna save this little guy for bait. I don't have a small enough net for him though.
You could use the banner.
Yeah, go run and get it. Go run and get it. We're gonna use this guy as bait. Oh, never mind. Don't get it.
Come on. TJ. TJ.
Already, first catch of the day, a little bluegill. I didn't even know there were bluegills in this area.
Guys, I'm about to compete today. I'm gonna be throwing wacky rigs.
Oh yeah, Noah thinks the wacky rigs are the best because he caught like 2 fish on them.
Bro, what do you mean? Cause like, we was kind of fish and also like.
Oh. 'Tis the season to be fishing. So something that some people ask about in the comments is how do you aim for sunfish or bass? Basically, sunfish can swim faster than bass. So if you want to catch sunfish, just reel in faster. I want to take this time right now to talk about this video sponsor, me. Okay, so I'm actually sponsoring my video because nobody else wants to sponsor it. But basically, I just created merch. The link is in the description. It's pretty fire. There are a few that have the Third Gear Vlogs logo in the tire, and then there are a few that just say Third Gear Vlogs with like a camping setup. It's really fire merch. And for right now, if you use the code ThirdGear10, you can get 10% off your entire order. So I don't know what you're waiting for. It's high quality merch, and it's at a pretty decent price. So head down in the description and pick you up some merch. Oh, and by the way, any fin matters. If you want to collab with me, leave a comment down below. Okay, so do need to unbend my rooster tail. I got it all tangled like this somehow. Just on a cutting speed. I got my rooster tail saved, so now I just need to retie on the swivel right here, and then I'll be good. Besides the one bluegill I caught earlier, we haven't caught anything at this location over here. So I think we're gonna pack up our stuff and we're gonna move to a new location. Alright, I got my rooster tail on. Now I'm gonna give it a few casts out. We're right near a dam, so we'll see how this goes. I got a bit. Snagged. Oh, right in my eye. Wait, can you go pliers this out?
Huh?
Can you pliers this out?
Oh. What?
Can you get out this rooster? Actually, I'll get it. There it goes.
You just drill a broad trigger.
No, you gotta like let the head pop up a bit and like jerk it a little bit. There's a strategy to it. I just had a bite. Bro, rooster tails are insane, I'm telling you. Gee. No, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
We get all of our stuff back in the parking lot and have it in the boat, and we just go around with our backpacks and one rod and just like keep walking all the way down the river. What? Bro, another snack. I can't hear you. Yeah. There's some trout down it a little bit. I'm gonna get snagged. What's this? This little pop. Bro, I can't hear you.